which all of you guys might know. And today we are doing a toy review. And I just wanted to tell you guys, we got a lot of toys stuck in here. So I'm going to start with the stockings. So we got a little bag, and let's see what's in here. Pop rocks! So cute. Gonna put it right here. And moving on to the second one. Okay, so let's see who's in here. A water cake. Looks so pretty. And there's something. Oh. A cookie! I think this could be for Cookie's roll. They're holding hands because they're getting married. Okay, moving on to the third one. Okay, so raspberry! Now this is making me hungry. Fourth one. Okay, so this one has two. And sushi. It's raw fish. And high heel. Okay. Fifth one! Here's another sushi by his little buddy. And there's also a bow! And I like the colors. I think all the stockings are high heels. Sixth one. We went so far already. A hat! Got a little S for shocking. Ooh, a pretty hat. Oh, seventh one. And it's a little blender. Well, moving on to the eighth one. And it looks like a peach. To the last one, guys. Oh! Pie! It has a little heart. And moving